Hey everyone, welcome back to EasySEM. Today I would like to share with you guys how to create an MCC account or a manager account within Google Ads. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can do that by typing in ads.google.com. And then in the top menu under solutions, you're going to see a manager accounts icon, or you can go ahead and click on that menu item. Then from here, scroll down to maybe the third, fourth section. It's going to say get started with manager accounts. Click on get started. It's that easy. From here, you're going to put in your business information. So it's your account name. And then this is pretty important here. It's going to say your primary use of this account. What is the primary use of this account? So if you are a freelancer or a contractor, an agency, you're going to want to click manage other people's accounts. And then maybe if you're, an e-commerce store owner or something, you have multiple stores and you want to see all the performance across the board, rolled up into one report, you just click manage my accounts. So that's the difference. And then once you have done that and you type in your billing country, your zip code, and the type of currency you use, inside the actual dashboard itself, it's going to look something like this. This is one of our test accounts that we use at EasySEM for an MCC. This is our MCC account. And now what you can see is that underneath the accounts, you can filter for a multitude of accounts. You can filter for one account, and you can actually look at performance again rolled up across the board. So this is really helpful if you're using maybe different locations and whatnot as well for your storefronts. So this is some of the power of an MCC account, along with being able to navigate between different accounts within the same dashboard instead of having to switch from Google Ads account to Google Ads account. So this is how you create an MCC in 2025. And if you found this helpful, make sure that you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also visit us at easysem.co for any of your future marketing needs, as well as on social media at easysem.co. We're doing behind the scenes of all our campaign builds and client management and other tutorials such as this. So give us a follow, and until the next one, we'll see you soon. Take care.